So good morning.
Good morning.
He is packing up some boxes to take to the storage unit, and because we have a storage unit now. And I'm just closing up the garage. We're gonna head to the lot now to check it. Oh, I guess he needs to go back in there. Anyway, we're going to the lot now. We had bacon cake yesterday, so I'm taking them some treats. And then I'm going to the post office, and he's going to the storage unit, and I'm going to work, and it's gonna be an awesome day. So there are some changes today. Looks like we got a roof over the garage going up. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Hey guys, now I'm at the post office, and I'm gonna pick up a package, check my PO box, and pay for my post office box. Marvin just checked the PO boxes, so I doubt there's anything in here, but it never hurts to check. And there's a long line to get the box that I have waiting for me, as well as a long line for the PO box. So, patience. So, I got my package, and it is from my YouTube BFF, and I'm not going to open it now. I'll open it at the office, but I'll show you what's inside. Happy mail time! It's a Christmas present. And it says no peeking. I'm gonna go to Whataburger for lunch because that's what Michael wants. And we're probably gonna get a salad. I know I've said before, like, who are those people that get salads at Whataburger instead of Whataburgers with French fries and stuff? But I guess today I'm gonna be that person. But I'm also gonna swing by the house, check on the progress, you know what I'm saying? This is pretty exciting. So I was picking up lunch for Michael from Whataburger, so I stopped by the house because look, y'all, we got a roof going up there. Looking pretty good. I'm out here at the sign company because I'm having some signs made for the homeowners association, and yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Hey y'all, it is, what's today? Monday night. It's 9:37 to be exact, and I'm about to get ready for bed. I was just finishing editing a video. I just put it live, so if you haven't seen that, that's from December 6th. So yes, I'm a little bit behind, but I just put it live. And let's see, tomorrow morning we have an MLS meeting, which is multiple listing service, which is for realtors, and well, other people can go too. Anyway, we have a meeting in the morning, and it's the Santa Cop stuff where they collect, the Mesquite Police Department collects toys for local needy children, and so we're gonna go for that. I don't know if they're gonna play any games or anything like that. Usually they do because it's like our Christmas party meeting, and usually it's at a Mexican restaurant, and usually they serve tamales. So, except, however, I'm doing keto, so I'm not gonna eat any tomorrow. I've just been struggling because I had bacon cake yesterday and I ate a couple cookies today. So I need to stop myself. And tomorrow, what else do I have planned tomorrow? I don't think anything else, actually. I don't know why I had it so close. Tomorrow is the 11th. The only thing I have on my calendar is MLS meeting. I am getting my hair colored on Wednesday because Jana needs to work some magic on those hairs of mine. And I don't think anything else is really going on. Marvin got down some dishes for me to start packing, and he's taken another couple loads to the storage building that we just got, that you would have seen that we just got. And, or maybe you haven't seen that yet. Well, by now you would have seen it. So, we got a storage building, we're putting stuff in it, and I'm trying to contact Some of my friends that I know were looking in this area to see if they have any interest in my house. I just put a house under contract. Well, I have other active listings, but not houses. So I am straight out of listings. And tomorrow, well, after we're out of the option period, which is only 3 days, I'm gonna post on my Facebook like straight out of listings. If anybody else wants to list, give your girl a call. Because going into the new year, I need some listings. So I guess that's it. Captain has that little lounge chair and it's like literally about to break. I'll show you. I know, I was just about to tell them that it's about to break. And I don't know if it's because you're so heavy or if it's just weak, but I think Marvin's going to try to put like a little support under here for him so it doesn't fall. So that's that. That's going to be it for today. I hope you have a great night and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.